Welcome back for another recipe. Today's recipe is pumpkin soup. The best part about the soup is that it's so delicious but only requires 2 key ingredients. The ingredients you'll need are 1.5 kgs or 3.3 pounds of Kent/Japanese pumpkin, 2 vegan gluten-free stock cubes, 1 litre or 33.8 fluid ounces of water, and chives to garnish. The star of the show is of course pumpkin, and a way you know that you've selected a really good one is by looking at the colour of the skin. So the skin needs to be a bright, intense orange, and to look at the stem as well, so the stem should be very dry. Remove the skin and cut into large chunks. Add water and boil for 20 minutes. Add your stock cubes to the blender, along with a small amount of the cooked flesh and a small amount of the liquid. Reserve about 200 ml of the cooking liquid and only add if you want to make the soup thinner. Add the remaining ingredients and blend until completely smooth. And there you have it, the finished product. A very healthy, delicious and easy recipe that's perfect during the colder months. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and for more videos like this, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time.